In this video, I'll show you the most up-to-date online jobs that you can start with little or no investment. All you need is internet access. Let's dive in. AI isn't just sci-fi anymore. From blog posts and social media captions to full ebooks, you can create it all using tools like ChatGPT. Sell your content or grow your personal brand fast. Create once, sell forever. Design PDF planners, digital journals, or Notion templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy. No inventory, no shipping headaches. Want to sell products without keeping stock? You totally can. Find trending items, promote them on your page, and your supplier ships them out. It's low risk and 100% online. Got a nice voice? Offer voiceover gigs on sites like Fiverr or BuyOnLuck. Brands need voices for ads, intros, and YouTube videos. Maybe yours is the one. Know something? Well, teach it. Create an online course or offer one-on-one coaching through Zoom. Turn your knowledge into income. 2025 is the golden era of digital income. Those who act smart and fast will win big. Don't fall behind the trends. Take action now. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications.